So, this is Humphrey, our bubbly shaped beetle. And at some point in its life, it's had a bit of a knock on its sill. So I'm going to see, and obviously it's corroded a bit there, I'm going to see if I can pull this out. May not be able to, but let's give it a go. As I say, I don't know how well this is going to work. I'll just try and position the camera so I don't knock you over. Right, so give the tabs a minute to set. I say, I don't know whether they're going to be strong enough to pull that out. It looks as if they're metal, not plastic. That looks metal to me. Just move you over here. That didn't budge at all. Could be this is just too strong to pull it out. I think this one's going to have to be tackled from behind. I think this dent repair is only good for sort of shallow dents, not not sills like this. Going a little bit. Now, it's another fail, I'm afraid. It's not made a blind bit of difference. The £35 eBay kit has not managed to pull that out, but it's quite a big dent. It's probably the whole bit needs to come up and push from behind. If you look at it, so it's probably only good for like little dents like that, if you can see, which I have done on my other videos. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. The Italian job. Alright.
By getting closer, the signal is progressively stronger.
It's Kit.
Losing one's memory is so embarrassing. Now that I've got my memory back, you can count on me. I understand the request, but I will need a little time. These are not simple calculations and evaluations. Nobody asked you. Very funny. I am not qualified to overrule your wishes.
It's a little pink one and it's like 2000 style photos.
The video is that?
Oh yeah, of course, yeah, I've just listed one for you.
Alright, cheers.
I was going to bring it today, but it's at my mate's.
Oh, you have to get it.
I know, I need to check that. I'm going to charge up and bring it the next one. Because it's like 2000 style photos and I can upload them
Right
onto
away,
my
Michael.
phone. So like
Awesome.
Okay, cheers. Bring back my music.
Yeah. Too right.
Are you alright? I took the liberty of scanning your vital signs. Your blood pressure is 190 over 120. Your pulse is 104. I see you.